I don't understand whether our leaders have a sense of shame.
No,
it is very humiliating for our country to see those kinds of things we are seeing. Because we can have political differences will not end, even after the elections next year. We are a democracy. We will always argue. We will always have differences of opinion. But we should manage ourselves responsibly. That is not the way to manage a country. Now we are scaring investors. We are scaring people who like to put resources in our country. How on earth are we going to generate employment if we don't manage these things? And you cannot tell me, I have been a minister of security, you cannot tell me that the elaborate security infrastructure we have in the country does not know what is going on. Somebody is looking the other way, and that nonsense is going on around. So what Kenya needs, and I keep going back to this, and as Kenyans we go to elections next year, what this country needs is decisive courage to clean up this mess